Anyway, that happened. We'll move on now. From that, brothers. Brothers. Big brother first. They have got very good balance. My balance is terrible. I'm terrible at a lot of things, so it's not surprising. That's just horrifyingly high up.
Dali.
Otto.
Dia. Atai.
I see enemies. What are they? Goats. Yo. Ha ha ha. Woo. Yes, let's just steal these goat things. We need them to... Wait, dang it. Brothers! Woo! Woo! And now we freed the goat things to do whatever they want. To do whatever they see fit. Because now they're free. So they can do those things. Those things. I don't know Irish, Jesus.
Hey. Hana horn. Sari hi. Horn. Yeah.
I don't know who you are, but I am going to call you Doc. No reason, just Doc. Not that way. There, screw that. No, not that way. Oh, you can get that way. Okay. You go, little bro. Okay. How do I get that up there? I can't throw it. I can't pass it up. Well then. Magic. Can we just admire this for a little while? I like it. Okay, we're done. No, pick it up. Pick it up. Oh no, did it get stuck? It may have got stuck. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay. Nothing happened, see? This is where this is the first time I've done this. You see? I have a feeling there's probably some pass mechanic that I don't know of.
Yeah.
What? Since when was that a thing? I'm stupid, obviously. Can only the little brother do it? Oh, I bet I could have shot that hoop then. Did they have to be opposite each other? No, he just throws further. I see. Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh no. They have to be opposite each other. I get it now. Okay. Sorry about that, chaps. I could have bullied that little girl now, I'm thinking about it. Dang it. I missed my chance. Come on, lads. Let Doc up. There you go. I'm sure Doc is grateful.
Da.
Oh. Look at his run. Brothers. Lot of carpets. Oh, so much to do. Brothers! What's down here? Another bench, maybe. More benches! Telescope, even better. Cool beans. Cool. Aha, I get it. Okay, let's talk to Doc first. Brothers! Okay. Jesus. What's up here? Things? Brothers. Okay. Wait. Doc, do you know what that be do? Doc. Brothers! Doc.
Il. Wenda hi. Alatia. Hia. Mali. Sa.
Well? So he's gonna let us fly his thing.
Kai.
Again.
Dia.
I win. No takebacks, man. I want to figure this out. Cool. Woo! Cool, we made the old geezer dance. That's always fun. And he has given us permission to fly his fly thingy. So good, man. Brothers. Okay.
Atta!
Hata. Okay. Onward. When we're gonna die. Groovy.
Oh, nej!
They're gonna die. I am going to get them killed. And it's gonna suck. Ah, ooh, aha. This is awesome. Uh-oh. 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 Shit.
Honida! Dia! Atai! Darling!
Okay then. Doc is not going to be happy with us. But it's okay because we can now pretend to be Spider-Man. Trying to make sure I remember which one to press and which one to let go. Oh god. That's nightmarish. Grab hold. Okay. Oh golly. I swear these brothers are very, very strong. They are also very slow climbers. Wait for your brother. Jesus. We're through, man. Oh, man. That happened. Yeah, all bad. Well, now what? I guess we go that way then. Okay. This way? Oh god. Ha 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 ha. Please don't die, boys. I like you. Okay, ready, big brother first. Fuck. Since they done deaded, I think that's a good place to end it. For now. Then I'll come back to it in about 5 seconds. Because I just want to stop my hands from sweating, so... well, I'll leave you with... this. Yeah. See you in the next one, guys. I'm so warm. Grr. Grr.